All right, today we're going to be seeing what's inside the box of the Wiz Connected Light. And it looks like when we open it up, we have some instruction manuals and a little bit of a quick start guide and probably warranty information right there. Then we have, the light itself. Oh, some cables. Yep. We got a plug. We have the light itself. Whoops, don't do what I did. Okay, we have the light itself, and on the back we have the plug, where the plug goes, and also the power button. This is what the light looks like turned on before it's even programmed or you connect it to your phone. In the next review, we'll go through the process of setting it up and demonstrating the different settings, as well as our first impressions. Make sure you stay curious and stay connected. Thanks to everyone. Have a great day. And this is what the light looks like straight out of the box without being connected to our phone, without any modifications. It comes looking like this when you plug it in. In the next review, we'll go through the process of setting it up and demonstrating the different settings, as well as our first impressions. Make sure you stay curious and stay connected. Thanks to everyone. Have a great day.